Hello everyone, I am Noor. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a Windows 10 bootable USB flash drive. This one is updated 2021. Today I will show how can make. Our laptop for its current version, there is no longer a CD or DVD ROM, but we need to set up the Windows. So the easiest way to give Windows is to boot your pen drive and then set up Windows. This is the easiest way. Otherwise you need to purchase the CD, also USB, bootable USB. This is the not easier. To make the USB pen drive, your minimum requirement is 8 GB USB or pen drive. Windows ISO file also required. If you do not have the ISO file, you can watch the video and download by clicking video from video description box. Now we are open the browsers and visit the google.com. Okay, search by typing ROVs download in there. ROVs downloads and press enter. We are click on now ROVs official page. This is the first one. This is the official page. We just click and we get visit the ROVs websites and we find the download link in there. This is the ROVs. You download is your current version. There is show. For download, you can just click. When you click, you can see download is start, also finish. You just click this symbol. Click on open for install and press the yes button. Important message: 1. 8 GB pen drive your requirement, and if your pen drive have data, important data, the data must be backed up elsewhere. If you click start, the pen drive will be formatted and all data will be lost. This is the most important for us. If you data have pen drive important data, then your data you can back up another device, also your PC. Otherwise, when you start the bootable, then your data may be lost, you cannot find. So this is the most important. Now I am importing USB in my PC. When I import my PC, then we get this USB in there. If you import 2 and 3, then you can find the list, and from list you can select which device you choose for USB device, bootable device. Boot selection, no need to change, keep same. Now select your ISO file for clicking from there. Friends, if you have not ISO file, then you can download ISO file from video description box. I given the link. You just click and watching the video and download the ISO file from the Microsoft websites and just now open. No need to change. Image options, no need to change. Important, this one is GPT, partition scheme. You have to fix the partition scheme by watching the video. So we just click this PC and click on manage. From manage we go to the disk management. We have to fix the partition scheme by watching the video. You can find your hard disk. If your hard disk is 2 and 3, then you can get in there. You select which drive you want to partitions or you want to set up. Just go to the properties and you need to go to the volumes to go to the here you can find is a partition style, GUID partition table. You can see there is GPT. Okay, we can see there is the GPT disks and there also GPT. If there is show the MBR, then you can also find in MBR. If you see the MBR, then you select from those is MBR. Now we are close. We are select the GPT disk, and the target system no need to change. EIF non CMS no need to change. Format options, so you can write anything. I am writing there is Windows 10, and there is file system. File system is FAT32. This on pen drive, therefore I'm keep the FAT32, and cluster size is 16 kilobyte default. I am also suggest 16 kilobyte default. No need to change. If you want, you can change, but I am keep the 60 kilobyte. Now just start for boot your pen drive. Important message. This is the warning message. Warning message is all data on device. This is on is pen drive name. Okay, this one is pen drive name will be destroyed. To continue with the options, click OK. To quick disk cancel, we are press the OK because we are keeping my pen drive data in another area. Press OK, and now you can see is started. Bootable is started. It's taken sometimes while have to wait a while. You need to wait for complete until 100%. It's depend on your PC. If your PC speed is high, then you can get very easier. We can see 10% is completed. Now ready to use. You can see message showing there. This is the ready. Okay, now we can use for set up our Windows. Now we are closed just. Now you can start the install Windows. We visit our pen drive. You can see all data in there. Now we are unplug our pen drive. Okay, and again plug in. Then you can see Windows logo also show in there. That means our Windows is ready. Now you can watching. Okay, continue. You can now setups. If you need to see again, you can watch now is a review in there. I'm sure in there in again is review. You can also see this one is review. Continue. Thanks for watching.